Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Skin lesions. Skin lesions in dermatology are of three types. Primary skin lesions, which appear first, secondary skin lesions, which are mainly due to the changes which occur on primary, special skin lesions, which are mainly characteristic of some specific dermatosis. Primary lesions. Primary lesions include first, macule. Macule is change in skin color. It is neither depressed nor raised. It is less than 0.5 centimeters in size. Patch. Patch, the size of the patch is more than 0.5 centimeters. The patch or the macule can be hypopigmented, hyperpigmented or depigmented. If the patch is hypopigmented, that is decrease in skin tone. Examples of hypopigmented patch is come. Hyperpigmented. Hyperpigmented is increase in skin color. Example of hyperpigmented macules are freckles. Depigmented. Depigmented macules or patches is seen in vitiligo. Papules. Papules are circumscribed solid elevated lesions which are less than 0.5 centimeters are papules. Plaques. Plaques are circumscribed solid elevated lesions more than 0.5 centimeters. They have abnormal skin texture. Nodule. Nodule is circumscribed solid elevated lesions which is more than 0.5 centimeters with depth. Nodule is better felt than seen. Vesicle. Vesicle is a fluid filled lesion less than 0.5 centimeters. Bullae. Bullae are fluid filled lesions more than 0.5 centimeters. These bullae are seen in autoimmune blistering disorders and herpetic infections. Pustules. Pustules are small pus filled lesions are pustules. Pustules are mainly the collection of neutrophils. Pustules can be either primary or secondary. Abscess. Abscess is large pus filled lesions or abscess. Petechiae. Petechiae is extravasation of RBCs which are 1 to 2 millimeters in size are petechiae. Purpura. Extravasation of RBC in more than 3 millimeters. Ecchymosis. Extravasation of RBC in 1 to 2 centimeters. Ecchymosis, petechiae and purpura are red lesions and they are non-blanchable lesions. These lesions can be seen in either vasculitis or clotting disorders. In vasculitis, the purpura which are seen are palpable purpura. In clotting disorders, they are non-palpable purpura. Wheal. Wheal is edematous, evanescent. Evanescent is it disappears in 24 to 72 hours. Erythematous, that is vasodilatation occurs. So wheals are edematous, evanescent and erythematous lesions with central pallor and surrounding erythema. Sometimes central pallor with wheals and surrounding erythema is seen in urticaria. Central pallor, wheals and surrounding erythema is seen in urticaria. Cyst. Cyst is also a primary lesion which is an enclosed cavity lined by a lining epithelium or endothelium. Cyst is filled with fluid or either semi-solid material. The semi-solid material can be keratin.
Thank you and thank you for watching.